Identify the VTESS equipment characteristics. The SIM provides operational status to the crew and performs step-by-step instructions for installation and checkout. It transmits data outside the unit by an infrared, IR, and live player area network LPAN window at the top end of the device and uses a Zigbee radio for wireless interface to the live training environment composition LTEC. The SIM connects to the VMC by cable to receive power and to use two-way USB LPAN communications with the VMC. Alternatively, an adapter cable may be used instead to connect to the vehicle utility power. However, using this method, the SIM will have to communicate wirelessly back to the VMC instead of using the VMC cable connection. The SIM has audio outputs to the VIC-3 and VIC-5 vehicle intercommunication VIC systems where available. The SIM consists of the following: touchscreen, system bus harness, which receives power and allows two-way USB live player area network LPAN communication with the VMC, infrared, IR, and LPAN window, which transmits IR and LPAN data outside of the unit, adapter power cable, audio speaker, which emits voice messages, VIC-3 cables, which connect the SIM to the VIC-3 vehicle intercommunication system, VIC-5 cables, which connect the SIM to the VIC-5 vehicle intercommunication system. Internal lithium-ion battery. The SIM attaches to the inside of the vehicle with a hook and loop fastener patch or by magnet on the back. The vehicle kill indicator, VKI, consists of an orange dome, a mounting base, two extension poles, 6.5 inches and 19.5 inches. It is the main wireless LPAN hub and contains the system's GPS and radio antenna. The VKI consists of the dome, mounting base and magnet base, two extension poles, 6.5 inches and 19.5 inches, two pole couplers, lanyard, system bus cable. The VKI provides visual cues of the system casualty status when LEDs in the orange dome flash. This can be seen by outside observers at a distance greater than 1,800 meters in full sunlight on a clear day. When a near miss occurs, the VKI flashes 2 times. When a mobility, firepower, and communication kill occurs, the VKI flashes 4 times. When there is a catastrophic kill with external power, the dome flashes continuously. But when there is a catastrophic kill without external power, the dome flashes for a maximum of 10 minutes. Each target event is evaluated and presented to the crew as a voice cue on the intercom. Target events are accumulated and combined so that multiple hits that would be less effective separately can add up to cause a higher damage effect. For example, when a vehicle with a mobility kill later gets hit with a firepower kill, it will automatically become a catastrophic kill. The Rugged Electromagnetic Interface (EMI) protected capacitive touchscreen displays SIM functionality screens for control of the VTESS system. The SIM displays the events and the pop-up messages as they occur during training exercises. The speaker emits voice messages for the VTESS system. SIM controls and indicators include the menu button, system tab, weapons tab, components tab, network status, battery level, and charge status. The SIM software provides the following controls and indicators. Menu button allows the user to navigate to different function screens of the SIM. System tab provides the user with system status and access to event log. Weapons tab provides the user with access to simulated loading function for use on Abrams and Bradley only. Components tab provides the user with access to built-in test bit status of installed and associated VTESS components. Network status displays the network connection status. Battery level and charge status displays the current SIM battery power and charging status. VTESS is a wireless network of components used for live fire simulations for force-on-force and force-on-target scenarios, simulating both the firing capabilities and the vulnerability of the vehicle, and is used on vehicles as small as standard passenger trucks up to the largest transport and combat vehicles. This system builds upon the legacy functionality of Miles that provides a force-on-force engagement simulation to obtain feedback on the effects of direct-fire weapon simulations on personnel, independent targets, crew-served weapons, and combat vehicles. VTESS is also adaptable for use on low and medium protected structures and fixed equipment such as bridges, bunkers, ammunition caches, refuel depots, and buildings. VTESS-equipped weapons use an encoded laser communication channel controlled by a transmitter aligned with the acquisition sighting system to engage a target. A laser message received by detectors mounted on the intended target signal near miss, hit, or kill information by audio and/or visual cue. The VTESS interfaces with the vehicle through equipment mounted on brackets and connected by cables, and with the crew through audio and visual signals. The crew interfaces with the VTESS using the Crew Interface Module SIM. The target system simulates the effects of different ammunitions, both by virtual effects on the vehicle and by visual effects on the impact. The visual effect on targets is simulated by pyrotechnics or flashing lights and as audio cues in the crew intercom.